online classes conducted by St. James School and College. Today's class is for the class 4th and the subject is English language. Now is the time for the book work. In the previous videos, we have completed the notebook work for this chapter, that is chapter number 9, Degrees of Comparison. So, in the previous videos, our copy work is already completed. This time we are going to start the book work, which is on page number 41 and 42. For this, you have to just take out your book and go to the page number 41. First of all, on page number 41, you will find the exercise number 8, which says, fill in the blanks with the correct degree of comparison for the given objectives. ब्रैकेट्स में आपको टोटल 1 to 8 पहले सेंटेंस मिलेंगे, फिर ब्रैकेट्स में आपको कुछ वर्ड मिलेंगे, दैट इज उसका आपको करेक्ट डिग्री ऑफ कंपैरिजन उसमें आपको फिल करना है. फॉर एग्जांपल, इन द प्रीवियस वीडियोस आवर कॉपी वर्क जो भी था उसमें हम लोगों ने 3 डिग्रीज के बारे में पढ़ा था, दैट इज पॉजिटिव डिग्री, कंपैरेटिव डिग्री एंड सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. उन्हीं 3 डिग्रीज को लेके ही हम लोग एक करेक्ट जो भी है डिग्रीज ऑफ कंपैरिजन हर एक सेंटेंस में जो फिट हो रहा है, वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू कंप्लीट इट. सो लेट्स बिगिन विद द फर्स्ट वन. अ डैश मैन नोज व्हेन टू स्पीक. ब्रैकेट में क्या है? वाइस. वर्ड क्या दिया है? वाइस. For this, which degree of comparison we have to use? You have to guess it. Vice, single man के बारे में है तो positive degree ही use होगा. As in the previous videos I have already told, जब मैंने आपको 3 degrees के बारे में बताया था, positive degree that was the first one. उसमें क्या हो रहा था कि जब single person है तो आपको कोई compare नहीं करना है, सीधे जो word है वही लिख देना है. बट जब comparative degree है उस ब्रैकेट वाले वर्ड में ER ऐड करके हम लोगों को लिखना है. एंड अगर सुपरलेटिव डिग्री है तो लास्ट में EST ऐड करके सेम वर्ड लिखना है और उससे पहले आपको द THE जो द है वो ऑलरेडी आपको लिखा हुआ मिलेगा. सो फर्स्ट विल बी वाइस. सेकेंड, दिस इज डैश मोमेंट ऑफ माई लाइफ मीन्स इट इज सुपरलेटिव डिग्री बिकॉज वो एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, दैट इज सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. देन वी हैव टू ऐड happy. ब्रैकेट में है what will be the superlative degree of the happy, that is happiest, because आपको THE द भी मिल रहा है तो उसका मतलब है कि ब्लैंक में आपको superlative degree ही फिल करनी है. थर्ड वन इज प्रवीण is dash to animals then Sujit is. प्रवीण and Sujit there are 2 person. so 2 person का comparison कब होता है? जब हम लोग comparative degree यूज करते हैं and comparative degree के साथ वर्ड के लास्ट में we have to use ER and just write it down the same word. So in the bracket we have word kind. For the comparative degree we just add ER so it become kinder. Fourth one is who is dash Shobha or Shalini and the bracket is intelligent. Intelligent word है, so more intelligent or most intelligent. I'll give the example. More intelligent and most intelligent. Comparative is more intelligent and the superlative is most intelligent. And in the sentence number 4, there are 2 girls, Shobha and Shalini. Comparison between Shobha and Shalini will come under the degree comparative. So we will add more intelligent, that is more intelligent. Fifth one is Ajita is the dash archer in the school. Means good. Bracket में word है, that is positive degree. Here the is used, so we will use the superlative degree in the 5th sentence, that is best, because good is a positive one, better is a comparative one and the best is the superlative one. Now it's time for the 6th sentence. Mr. Khanna is a dash person. single person के बारे में बात हो रही है, that is Mr. Khanna. So just positive word जो भी है thoughtful, we are just going to add the thoughtful as it is given in the bracket. So thoughtful, no changes will be done here. Second last sentence will be the Nile is the dash river in the world. Nile, you already know name of a river. Positive degree जो है ब्रैकेट में वर्ड है, कंपैरेटिव यूज नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज द ब्लैंक से पहले we have the. So what is the superlative degree for the long, that is largest. Eighth last one, Renu is a dash girl means Renu single girl means only positive degree we will use. So as it is जो word है ब्रैकेट में that is gentle, we will use as it is जो भी word है that is gentle. So first exercise is over. Now it is a time कुछ वर्ड दिए हैं एंड सेंटेंसेस के बगल में ब्रैकेट में आपको डिग्रीज दी हैं कि कौन सा वर्ड कौन सी डिग्री में आपको चेंज करना है. सो द लाइन इज जेंटल का कंपैरेटिव क्या होता है? जेंटलर. एंड द सेकेंड वन इज डिफिकल्ट विल बी एट डिफिकल्ट. व्हाट इज द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री ऑफ डिफिकल्ट? मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट. Now turn the page and go to the page number 42. Third one is Mount Everest is the dash mountain in the world. So what is the superlative degree for the high? That is highest. What is the superlative degree for the dirty? That is positive degree for the dirty. Because in the sentence number 4 you will see two blanks and two brackets. So first blank में हमको positive degree fill करना है, that is dirty. And the second blank में we have to put the comparative degree for the word, that is cleaner. What is the comparative of the clean? That is cleaner. Fifth one, Preetham is a dash boxer than saw. So comparative of the good, that is better. And the last one will be when I feel dash in the afternoon I have a light snack, which is a positive degree. So positive degree for the hungry will be hungry only. Now the last exercise for this chapter on page number 42 only, exercise C, which says that circle the correct adjective. Sentences हैं, there are 7 sentences. हर एक sentence में 2 adjectives हैं एक slash के साथ. First one is bigger slash biggest. जो भी suitable है उस sentence के लिए you have to just circle it. So first one will be the book is bigger slash biggest than that book. तो 2 चीज़ों का कंपेयर है. We have to use the comparative degree. So bigger, you have to circle the bigger word. Second one, Ron is the fast slash faster than Ravi. Again, the comparison between 2 persons. We will use the comparative degree, that will be the faster. You have to circle the faster. This film is the funnier or slash funniest have ever seen. So here comparative degree and superlative degrees word are given. We will circle the superlative one, that is funniest. Mala has the neat slash neatest handwriting in the class. So neatest, you have to circle the word. Suhana is a good slash better at singing than Meera. Suhana and Meera, two persons, 2 people. Comparison between 2 people, we will use the comparative degree, that is better. My laptop is old slash older than yours. So old and older, there are 2 words. Old is a positive degree and the older is the comparative. So for this sentence we will use the comparative degree, that is older. This is the darker slash darkest room in the building. So darkest because the superlative degree, so we will use the darkest. So these are the 7 words you have to you have to circle it. And there are 3 exercises. Exercise A, exercise B, exercise C. You have to complete it in your book very neatly and very clearly. And these exercises are on page number 41 and 42. So in the previous videos, notebook work for this chapter was already completed. You have to complete it very neatly and very clearly. And in this video, we have completed the book work for this chapter. I hope you understood. If you have any confusion or any query, you can watch the video again and you can clear all the confusion that you have